Hello everyone, and welcome to your low impact walking workout for the holidays. So this is our 12 days of Christmas, 12 moves walk. This is beginner friendly, low impact, and you can do it during any time. So go ahead and grab your holiday gear, your holiday outfit, and get started walking with me.
We'll be together on this Christmas night. So take my hand and hold it tight. We'll pray for peace on this Christmas night. Oh my love, oh my love, oh my love, oh my love. We'll be together, oh my love. We'll last forever, oh my love, oh my love. Together on this Christmas night. Whoa, whoa. We'll pray for peace on this Christmas night. Fa la la, fa la la. We'll be together on this Christmas night. Oh my love, oh. On this night, this silent night, this holy night, we'll pray for peace on this Christmas night.
awesome job with that walking workout. So I hope you really enjoyed those 12 moves for a nice, quick, and easy workout for the holiday season. So make sure to cool down with me. You can just walk around, really do some gentle exercises. It's always a good idea to keep moving just a little bit after you do a workout. Make sure to like the video itself with the thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and then also stay tuned for more videos to come each week.